When you collaborate closely with other companies, finding the right contact information can be a constant hassle. With External Contact Sync from ToogleBox, you can securely connect and synchronize your Google Workspace contacts with another domain. To begin, we need to securely connect the two domains. From your ToogleBox homepage, click the right gear icon to add the administrator from the other domain you want to sync with. Enter the external admin's full email address. Then, carefully set their privileges for the domains they will manage. This ensures they only have the access they need. Go to the External Contacts Autosync feature located in the ToogleBox homepage. Click on the left orange gear to configure the synchronization. Select the external domains you want to pull contacts from. A blue arrow will appear, confirming that contacts will be synced from that domain into your directory. The syncing process runs whenever changes are detected. However, you can manually trigger it at any time by clicking the refresh icon. Now let's see how your employees will take advantage of the unified directory. When an employee starts composing a new email, he can type the name of an external contact, and it instantly auto-populates in the To field. Problem solved. No more searching for external contact info.